Hey kids, today we will learn insects' names. Oh, it's so beautiful! Butterfly. This insect name is butterfly. Ant. Hi, I am an ant. This insect name is ant. Beetle. Beetle. This insect name is beetle. Oh, look at this beautiful ladybug. Ladybug. This insect name is ladybug. Honeybee. Honeybee. This insect name is honeybee. Housefly. Have you seen this housefly? See, this is housefly. Spider. Look at the spider. This insect is spider. Grasshopper. Oh, look at the grasshopper. It's green. Grasshopper. Wasp. It looks like honeybee, but this is wasp. This insect name is wasp. Dragonfly. Oh, it's so cute. Dragonfly. Caterpillar. Look at the caterpillar. Oh, this insect name is caterpillar. Snail. This is snail. Weevil. This insect name is weevil. Centipede. This insect name is centipede. Mosquito. Look at the mosquito. Mosquito. Cockroach. Have you seen this cockroach? This insect name is cockroach.